This is pretty. Most natural wig you can wear is a glueless one that is of a Yaki texture that looks just like your hair. So today I'm going to show you guys this style from Nadula hair. This is one of their no slip 7x5 closure wigs. I know you guys really like the wigs that are very convenient. So if you love your Yaki textures, this one is great. It has a really pretty flow to it. So I know you guys, the weather is crazy right now. I'm still getting over this, whatever this is I have. And so today's video, we're going to get straight to the point. I'm glad my style is not like crazy. I don't have to do a lot of gluing and everything. When you are feeling under the weather, I'm pretty sure you don't want to do a lot to your hair either. So this wig makes it perfect for your everyday style. It comes already ready for you. It's secure. You don't have to glue it down. None of that. So let's get into today's video. I'm gonna show you all the details. Today's wig comes from Nadula hair. I will have it linked below in the description box for you guys. Let's unbox it. So this is what the packaging look like. As you can see, they give you the wig and also some adhesive tape if you would like. This is Brazilian hair, and this hair has already been washed and disinfected. Out the box, you can see that they pre-cut the lace for you, so you don't need to cut the lace at all. This is a 12-inch bob, and it has layers going through. This is a 7x5 closure. It also comes with the drawstring in the back, as you can see, and also the new strap that's made into the wig that is very convenient for no slip wear. It's all about convenience and being able to just slide it on without using any glue, adhesive, sprays, any of that. The hairline is perfectly pre-plucked. It just looked like it's growing directly from the scalp. This is a Yaki texture and the hair feels super soft out the box. This is a perfect everyday wig. The way they made the bands inside with the new strap is that it goes from the closure to the other side of the closure, and it's super comfortable. A lot of times with the other band that you take in and out that's thicker, I find that they aren't placed right, and so it doesn't give a grip to your wig install. They thought about that with the adjustable strap. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this strap here, tighten it, and it pulls just like a bra strap. Instantly feel it securing onto your head. Oh my gosh, so tight. And then after that, I'm going to take the drawstrings like this, and I'm going to tuck the comb first and then pull that string. And this wig is not moving. Look. It's not going to move. Okay, so of course you can part it on the side. It comes with the middle part. As you can see, you can switch it to about right over here if you prefer to have a side part. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the kinks out of the hair with a flat iron. I know you may be wondering, like, with all of the straps that's in the wig, is it comfortable? You can really adjust this wig as tight as you need it to be or as loose as you want it to be. That's the great thing about the cap. Now, I do notice that in the back with the drawstring, if you do have a smaller head and you tighten it way too much, what's usually going to happen is you're going to get some bulkiness in the back of the wig, especially if you don't insert that comb. So make sure the comb is inserted before you actually pull that string. This hair is so pretty. I hope you guys are staying warm. I know the weather is crazy right now for the East Coast. I'm still slightly sick. I just been keeping warm and I got everything that I need, so I won't have to go out into this mess. Okay? Even if I'm feeling under the weather, I try to pick myself up and still like try to get cute or something, because it just helps you to feel better. So you don't feel like doing nothing else, y'all. Do your hair. Do some makeup while you're sitting in the house if you're not going anywhere. But yeah, I like this style already. The hair is super soft. It would look good with a side part, wouldn't it? But yeah, the layers on this wig are very soft. Like, they're not intense at all. So if you get the wig and you be like, okay, where's the layers? I think they do that on purpose, just in case, like, they don't want it to be like too short, if that makes sense. It's just enough, but not too much. I'm gonna go over the lace a little bit with some foundation just to hide the knots around the front. I feel like the knots are bleached, but not like where you can't see them. You can still see the knots at the hairline, so you can go back with a little bit of foundation to cover them up. All right, so this is what it looked like. Super soft, so pretty. Like it's not going anywhere. It's very secure. And if you want to add a little bit more, if you feel like you need it to hold, you can add the tape. Yeah, they give you everything with this. Like it's super pretty. I like the soft layers. This is what the back look like, as you can see. Lots of body, and this is a straight texture, but it flows really well. All right, so the only thing that I find with this wig is that when you adjust both straps together, the back for me, I guess because my head is a little bit smaller, it does get a little bulky back there. So I start to see like it lays flat, but it's not as flat as I would like it. So I would probably just use the adjustable strap only for this. And with it being a shorter style, you definitely want it to lay flat for sure, because any bumps, lumps, or anything like that can make it look really weird. Be mindful when you are adjusting the straps in the wig and use them accordingly. And if you feel like you need more hold, just use the tape instead of trying to pull it super, super tight. This is a great everyday wig. I really do like it. So this wig is from Nadula Hair. I'm going to go ahead and link it for you in the description box. Be sure to check down there. Thank you guys so much for joining me for today's video. Stay warm, and I will see you all back in my next video.